In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to descale a steam mop. Please note, the brand of your steam mop may recommend a certain process for descaling. Please refer to your instruction manual for specific guidance on your steam mop. We recommend descaling your steam mop when you notice a decrease in the steam output, or if water droplets are being sprayed instead of steam. Regular descaling is also recommended, especially in areas with hard water. This helps to prevent limescale build-up and maintain the lifespan and performance of your steam mop. Firstly, turn the dial to the off position. Next, pull out the water reservoir stopper. Then, ensure that the water reservoir is empty. Mix 100 ml of distilled water with 10 ml of white vinegar and pour the solution into the water reservoir. Reinsert the reservoir stopper. Next, turn the dial to maximum heat. Direct the steam mop nozzle into a sink or bucket and hold the steam button. Let the solution run through the system to flush out the limescale and mineral deposits. When there is no more steam being dispersed, turn the dial to the off position and allow the steam mop to fully cool down. Once cool, refill the tank with fresh water and repeat the same process to remove any remaining solution. Finally, allow the steam mop to cool completely and ensure the water tank is empty before storing. Your steam mop is now ready to use.